Yeah, so I thought I'd take a little vid of where the lightning hit the fence. This is the fence. I've nearly got it back together. That's the fence. But yeah, the lightning hit this post in the ground here, destroyed all the barbed wire. I keep finding little bits of burnt barbed wire everywhere. And then it, not only did it hit the ground, but it shot across the ground, across there, and hit the tree over there. I would have thought it would have hit the tree. The tree's big, huge, but it didn't. It hit the fence right here and then went towards the tree. And like it hit the tree. The lightning hit the tree there. I'm gonna go over there and have a look at the tree. So this is the fence getting redone, but all this wire got completely blown off. You think it would have hit that? That's made of steel. It didn't hit that. Here's like some of the wire that's blown off. A lot of it got disintegrated. Yeah, so it hit there. Then, I don't know, blew up here somehow. And then like there's all scars on the grass here, all scars where the lightning came across. And then hit the tree. Hit the tree. But Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. How did it get all the way around there? It blew the bark off the tree. But it didn't blow the tree up. So, I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, the tree's been burnt by the bushfire. It's been blown and destroyed. I'm still alive. And this time it bloody dodged the bullet, because that lightning, when I heard it, it was the loudest lightning I'd ever heard. Yeah, amazing. Totally amazing. But we're greening up. Property's great. Hey, Rory. What are you doing, Rory? Rory. You're a good boy, Rory. This is greening up nicely. There's the house, shed, greenhouse, shade house. Some apple trees here planted. Yeah, beautiful.